Hello, my name is Diane. Welcome to this session that discusses Peak-Focused Home Energy Report, which is available in Release 24B in the Oracle Utilities Energy Efficiency Cloud Service. In this session, we will talk about these new features and how they can impact your business. I will give an overview of the Peak-Focused Report experience, followed by more details about the modules to explain how you would use the features and the benefits they provide to your business. Then I'll walk you through a demonstration. Finally, I'll provide you with some additional resources. Home energy reports include several report types with different layouts and modules that vary throughout the year. The look and feel of some home energy report types can be influenced by the report audiences. The Peak-Focused Report is the most advanced version of the home energy report yet available. It uses rate metadata, hourly disaggregation, and a new hourly normative comparison service based on smart meter data to produce new insights for customers. The Peak-Focused Report informs customers about their electricity usage, with a focus on peak cost periods under their time of use plan. There is also an option for customers with TOU plans that have a demand charge. The report includes a diverse set of modules designed to encourage customers to be aware of electricity costs and guides customers towards making energy-conscious behavior changes during high-cost periods of the day. There are two types of Peak-Focused Version 3 home energy reports: Welcome and Progress. The Welcome version of the report is designed to introduce new or legacy customers who have not yet received a Home Energy Report V3 experience. It is the first report sent to new customers, and it is structured to facilitate positive behavior changes, equip customers with actionable tools and information, enhance overall customer satisfaction, and promote energy savings. The Progress version of the report includes insights designed to inform customers about their electricity usage with a focus on peak periods under their time of use plan. It encourages more energy-efficient behaviors and heightened awareness of electricity costs. The report is equipped with diverse modules designed to foster energy awareness and efficient consumption among customers, especially during peak cost periods. Now let's take a look at the Peak-Focused Report. We will start with the Welcome Report and then look at the Progress Report version. So here is the Welcome version of the Peak-Focused Report. The header module appears at the top of the front page of every report. It is the first thing that the customer sees as it lays above the fold in the paper report. The header module is composed of the utility logo, report label, customer address, and introduction module. The introduction module, which appears within the header module, is the customer's first introduction to their new Peak-Focused Report experience. It is a short welcome message encouraging the customer to get excited about their new report experience. The default welcome message is, "Get ready to save more electricity when it matters most." This message can be configured. Next, we have the Welcome module. This module welcomes the customer to their new report experience and explains that the reports are designed to help them understand their rate and they are personalized for their time of use plan. This module also contains an image that complements the report type. The Peak-Focused Welcome Quadrant module is next. The quadrant orients customers to 4 important aspects of their report experience, and in the Peak-Focused Home Energy Report, there is a special emphasis regarding on-peak energy usage. The normative comparison is a driver of energy efficiency savings and highlights on-peak energy use so readers understand how they compare to others. This section reminds the customer that the report takes their time of use plan into account. Tips provide actions the customer can take right away to reduce their energy use. This quadrant also reminds the reader that tips may include advice that can help save during on-peak hours. Finally, this section helps the reader understand what to expect from the program report over time. The Page Turn module is included at the bottom of the front page of the report and contains a message prompting users to turn over the report for more information. Now let's look at the back page. Here's a quick peek at the main insight module from the Progress Report so we can see both examples. The Peak-Focused Normative Comparison module educates customers about their energy use during on-peak periods relative to other homes. Total electricity usage values are included so the customer can have a better understanding of what their peak use is compared to their total use. Insights located to the right of the graph provide additional detail, context, and feedback to help interpret the bar chart, making clear the key points of this module. Depending on which version is used, the color changes depending on whether the customer's usage is great, good, or fair. The color of the insight changes based on the customer's usage to their most relevant comparison group. The insights can be either a financial or a percentage value to help interpret the impacts of current on-peak energy use. These will change based on the recipient's data conditions and utility configuration choices. The financial version uses the customer's time of use rate to calculate an approximate annualized cost of the energy use gap between the recipient and their most relevant comparison group. The percentage indicates how much more or less energy the customer has used compared to their most relevant comparison group. The Time of Use 101 module educates customers about the details of their time of use rate and offers educational insights into why saving energy during peak hours holds particular significance. Finally, the Utility Information module contains sections for utility contact information, legal disclaimers, and additional resources. Now let's take a look at the peak-focused progress report. First, we have the header, which we already covered in the Welcome report. Instead of the Introduction module seen in the Welcome version of the report, the Progress Report includes the mini Time of Use 101 module. Similar to the Time of Use 101 in the Welcome report, but in a simplified format, this module educates customers about their rate and offers educational insights into why saving energy during peak hours holds particular significance. There is a variation available for customers who also have a demand charge in their rate plan. The peak-focused normative comparison is the same as in the Welcome report. You can see that this version of the peak-focused progress report includes the traditional percentage insight, indicating how much more or less energy the customer used than their neighbors, rather than the close the gap financial insight featured in the Welcome version we saw earlier. With the print progress report, iconography sets can be configured to appear alongside the heading of the normative comparison, so our clients can make it their own, or test and learn to see what works best with their customers. Each icon set has a state for fair, good, and great. The state of the icon set in the report matches the state of the normative comparison. Icon set options include no icons or off. This is the default setting that you see here. Comprehension-focused smiley icons, environmental-focused leaf icons, and competitive-focused metal icons. The Explainer module tells the customer what data is used to calculate the normative comparison and provides them with ways to improve or correct the module by completing or updating the Home Energy Analysis Survey. They can access the survey from the URL and QR code options on their paper report. The Progress Report also has the Page Turn module, just like the Welcome report. Onto the back of the Progress Report, the Time of Day Hourly Insights module provides customers with insights into their hourly electricity consumption and how their energy use compares to their nearest comparison group. The graph helps the customer identify key times for energy savings by highlighting their average use during weekdays with a focus on the high-cost peak hours. It also includes the nearest comparison group's average hourly usage for comparison, an insight that highlights in which high-cost period hour they are consuming the most energy, and a link where the customer can learn more about their time-of-day rate plan. There is a variation available for customers who also have a demand charge in their rate plan. Peak-focused energy literacy and tip educates the customer about how they are consuming energy during the high-cost peak period and provides guidance on what they can do to make a difference in their energy consumption. The module includes a list of 2 or 3 appliance categories that were detected during the high-cost period, and a tip related to one of the categories that the customer can use to help reduce their energy consumption. Marketing message modules are pieces of content designed to highlight a particular business initiative or energy savings program, such as rebates, special offers, and advertisements. Finally, utility information, as mentioned earlier, contains sections for utility contact information, legal disclaimers, and additional resources. That concludes the demonstration. For additional information about the peak-focused report for email functionality, see the Energy Efficiency Cloud Service documentation on Oracle Help Center, which is available at docs.oracle.com. That concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching.